Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do human anatomy and physiology, in that the human body and its constituents. In that we'll discuss about communication in the body. Transport and communication are considered. Transport system ensure that all body cells have access to the very many substances required to support them, as well as providing a means of excretion of wastes. This involves in the blood and the cardiovascular and lymphatic system. All communication system involve receiving, collating, and responding to appropriate information. There are different systems for communicating with the internal and external environments. Internal communication involves mainly the nerves and endocrine system. These are important in the maintenance of homeostasis and regulation of the vital body functions. Communication with the external environment involves the special senses and verbal and non-verbal activities, and all of these also depend on the nervous system. First, we'll discuss about the blood. In transport system of the body, blood is important. The blood transports substances around the body through a large network of blood vessels. In adults, the body contains 5 to 6 liters of blood. It consists of two parts of fluid called plasma and blood cells suspended in the plasma. Plasma, this is a mainly water with a wide range of substances dissolved or suspended in it. This includes nutrients absorbed from the alimentary canal, oxygen absorbed from the lungs, chemical substances synthesized by body cells, for example, hormones, waste materials produced by all cells to be eliminated from the body of excretion. Blood cells, there are three distinct groups classified according to their function. Erythrocytes, that is red blood cells, transport oxygen and to lesser extent carbon dioxide between the lungs and all body cells. Leukocytes, white blood cells, are mainly concerned with protection of the body against infection and foreign substances. There are several types of leukocytes which carry out their protective function in different ways. Platelets are tiny cell fragments that play an essential part in blood clotting. Next, cardiovascular system. Blood vessels. There are three types: arteries, which carry blood away from the heart; veins, which return blood to the heart; capillaries, which links the arteries and veins. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels which vary with very thin walls consisting of only one layer of cells, which enables exchange of substances between the blood and body tissues. For example, nutrients, oxygen, and cellular waste products. Blood vessels from a network that transport blood to the lungs, that is pulmonary circulations, where oxygen is absorbed from the air in the lungs, and at the same time carbon dioxide is excreted from the blood into the air. Cell in all other parts of the body, general or synthetic circulation, systemic circulation. Blood cells in all other parts of the body, that is general or seismic systemic circulation. Heart. The heart is a muscular sac with four chambers, which pumps blood, rounds the body, and maintains the blood pressure. The heart muscle is not under conscious voluntary control. At rest, the heart contracts or beats between 65 to 75 times per minute. The rate is generally increased when body oxygen requirements are increased. For example, during exercise and running, the rate at which the heart beats can be counted by taking pulses. About the heart, we'll study later detail. What is lymphatic system? The lymphatic system consists of a series of lymph vessels which begins the blind-ended tubes in the interstitial space between the blood capillaries and tissue cells. Structurally, they are similar to veins and blood capillaries, but the pores in the walls of the lymph capillaries are larger than those of the blood capillaries. Lymph is tissue fluid that also contains material drained from tissue spaces, including plasma proteins and sometimes bacteria or cell debris. It is transported along lymph vessels and returned to the blood streams near the heart. There are collective of lymph nodes situated at various points along the length of the lymph vessels. Lymph is filtered as it passes through the lymph nodes, removing microbes and other materials. The lymphatic system also provides the sites for formation and maturation of lymphocytes, the white blood cells involved in immunity. Now we'll discuss further details about these things. Survival needs of a human body. That is our topic is survival needs of human body first. Inside the human body, the primary system responsible for both transport and communication is the circulatory system, where blood acts as the vehicle to carry nutrients, oxygen, hormones, and other essential substances to different parts of the body, while also removing waste products, essentially acting as a communication pathway between organs through the hormones it carries. Key points about body's transport and communication system. The main transporter, blood, which is pumped by the heart through a network of blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, delivers necessary components to cells and remove waste products from that. Hormones and communication signals. Hormones, chemical messenger produced by endocrine glands, travel through the bloodstream to target organs, triggering specific physiological responses. Nervous system in integration. While the circulatory system handles most transport, the nerve system plays a crucial role in rapid communication through electrical signals transmitted by neurons, allowing for immediate responses for stimuli. Components of the transport system. Heart, the muscular organs that pumps blood throughout the body. Blood vessels, arteries carries oxygenated blood away from the heart, veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart, and capillaries are tiny vessels where gas exchanges occurs between blood and tissues. Key functions of the transport system. Delivery of oxygen and nutrients. Blood carries oxygen from the lungs to cells and delivers nutrients absorbed from the digestive system. Waste removal. Carries carbon dioxide and other waste products from cells to the excretory organs. Immune system supports, circulates white blood cells to fight infections. Transport and communication inside the body happens like, look at here, these are parts. Together work. Blood transport nutrients, oxygen, hormones throughout the body and removes waste products. This process is made possible by the circulatory system, which includes heart, blood vessels, and blood. How blood transport nutrients and oxygen. how the blood is transporting nutrients and oxygen to the body. The heart pumps oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body through arteries. Blood travels through the veins back to the heart and lungs, where it picks up more oxygen. The blood then returns to the body through the arteries again. How blood removes waste product, how it is removing. Blood removes carbon dioxide and other waste products from the body. The plasma is a blood transport waste products and antibodies and clotting proteins. How the circulatory system works. The circulatory system is designed to maintain the chemical environment of each cell in the body. The heart pumps blood continuously, so it's always moving around the body. Types of blood vessels. We know that arteries carries blood away from the heart. Veins carry blood back to the heart. Capillaries, the smallest blood vessels that connects arteries and veins. Cardiovascular system. This complete system is cardiovascular system. That is a blood vessels, blood how circulate to the body is called a cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is a system of organs that pumps blood throughout the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Its cardiovascular system's main function is to supply oxygen and nutrients to the body cells and organs. It also removes waste products from the body. How it works, we know that. The heart pumps blood through the network of blood vessels. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, while veins carry blood back to the heart. Blood vessels contains muscles that controls their width, which affects blood pressure. Cardiovascular system is regulated by hormones, electrolytes, medications, and other factors. What it does: delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells and organs, remove waste products from the body, helps maintain body temperature, helps the body meet the demands of activity, exercise, and stress. Cardiovascular diseases. Conditions that affect the heart and blood vessels can lead to heart attack or strokes if left untreated. Can be managed with lifestyle changes or medications. Lymphatic system. What is lymphatic system? The lymphatic system is a network of vessels, tissues, and organs that helps the body fight infection and diseases. It is key part of the body's immune system. That is the lymphatic system. What does the lymphatic system do? Drains fluid. The lymphatic system drains excess fluid called lymph from tissues and returns to the bloodstream. Filters lymph. Lymph nodes filter out bacteria, viruses, and other harmful cells from the lymph. Maintain fluid vessels, fluid levels. The lymphatic system helps maintain healthy fluid level in the body. Absorbs fats. The lymphatic system helps the body absorb fats and other molecules. Removes the waste. The lymphatic system removes waste products and abnormal cells from the body. What are the parts of the lymphatic system? Lymph vessels. These thin tubes carry lymph throughout the body. Lymph nodes. These glands filter the lymph fluid. Spleen. Spleen. This organ is located in the upper left abdomen. Helps clear worn out red blood cells and other foreign bodies from the bloodstream. Thymus. This organ is primary lymphoid organ where T cells mature. Bone marrow. This organ is a primary lymphoid organs where B cells mature. So far we discussed about little about our communication system of our body. In that we'll discuss about blood circulation, cardiovascular system, and lymphatic system. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.